guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is time to pick a winner. And after this I want to show you some things that I did outside, so let's just go ahead. I put the link there and now I just hit start here and it will choose a random winner. Remember, this has to be in the US. Studio Cree Twee. Okay, so Studio, I need you to comment down below on this, and then I need you to message me your information so that I am able to ship out the lithops to you and the planter. I can't ship it out with dirt because then it's just going to be a big old mess. It's going to be without dirt. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that, and congratulations, I'm so excited for you. I need you to reach out to me by Monday. If I don't get to hear you by Monday afternoon, then I'll have to choose another winner. Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations. Let's go outside. So I'm outside now, so I was able to look up Studio Cree. Her name is actually Sharina, so I looked her up on her YouTube channel. So I just want to say congratulations to her. I just felt a little weird saying her name because I feel like when you say creep, it's like you're calling somebody a creep. So I just felt a little weird saying her name. So yeah, I just wanted to congratulate her again. And I just wanted to show you guys what I did here. So I finally gave in and I put my little baby plants out here. Hopefully they survive. I'm not worried about them with the rain. I'm more concerned about the sun, when the sun actually comes out, because lately it's been gloomy. I just don't want them to burn, so I might cover them with some shade cloth for a little bit just so that they get adapted to that. So yeah, hoping that this will do well, and I will keep you guys updated on that. And that's about it. Oh, okay, yeah, I wanted to show you what's been happening with the plants that I have out here in this shelf that I just put out here. So what happened here, the leaves right here, the top of the head, the leaves started to rot because water was settling on top. So I need to keep an eye out on that. I need to be aware of when it rains to come out and make sure that the water's not settling, that I blow it out. So that's what I need to do. So that one, and then this one, see? So, but the plant itself is doing well, but except for the top where the water was settling. So that's what I need to keep an eye out. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. And then I removed a panel here so that there is more airflow. And I moved some I planted the Echeveria Pearl Newtonberg that I got in that big packet. She's in that pot underneath here so she doesn't continue to get water. And then this one I moved over here so that she gets less water as well. Look at this one. Look at how big that is. This is like a whole different cactus growing in there. It's the same cactus, but it looks so different because it's so much tinier. It's cute. It's growing another head up there. So yeah, I was able to clean today, and yesterday I watered my plants, and I was also able to clean. I brought Fred out here. I think Fred needs to go in a bigger pot, and he's going to be outside. So I just cleaned. I watered and cleaned. Sorry, somebody's fixing their fence. So yeah, that's what's going on in here. Nothing major. It's a little gloomy, and I am really considering moving the shade cloth. So I'm really thinking about doing that. I'm just a little bit scared. So I think what I might do when I first remove the shade cloth, the plants that are higher I'm going to bring to a lower level just so that it's not so hot for them, and just see how the plants do, and then I'll move them back. My fear is just maybe of it getting hotter in here, but I feel like some of the plants need more sun. Even though they're here and they're getting sunlight, they still need more sun because right now it's been gloomy. So we are in fall, so it's not as sunny as usual. So yeah, so I am really considering doing that. This is my favorite one. And I know that eventually I might have to trim that, but I just don't right now. I really love the way it looks. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. So very soon I'll be doing another giveaway for my 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really want to finish the other giveaway because it's been going on for so long. It has over 2,000 views. It's just that I guess some people are not commenting or liking. They forget. I know I forget to like some videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that video again to this one. And yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye, guys.